The Cow Who Loved to Sing. A short moral story. In a quiet little farm, there was a cow named Bella who loved to sing. While the other cows were happy chewing grass and resting under the sun, Bella spent her days humming melodies and singing cheerful songs. One morning, as Bella sang near the barn, the other animals laughed. "Cows don't sing, Bella," chuckled the goats. "You should just moo like the rest of us," teased the horses. Even the chickens clucked in amusement. Bella felt sad, but deep inside, she knew that singing made her happy. She decided she wouldn't stop, no matter what the others thought. One evening, a terrible storm rolled in. The sky turned dark, thunder rumbled, and strong winds shook the barn. The animals were frightened, huddling together, unable to sleep. Bella saw their fear and did the only thing she knew best. She began to sing. Her voice was soft and soothing, carrying a melody of warmth and comfort. One by one, the animals calmed down. The chickens stopped clucking nervously, the horses relaxed, and even the goats listened quietly. Bella's song made them feel safe and at peace. By the time the storm passed, the animals no longer laughed at Bella. "Your singing helped us," said the goats. "It was beautiful," admitted the horses. From that day on, Bella wasn't just a cow, she was the farm's special singer, and everyone loved her songs. Moral: never be afraid to be yourself. What makes you different is what makes you special. Thank you for watching.